Hey guys, it's Paul. I want to answer this quick question from Clay Good on my Zoho Projects video. Hi, can we copy paste tasks to another month because we do same tasks each month? How and thanks. Right, really easy to do, Clay. So you're going to go to a task or a project. Like you said, you've already got them in. I've just been testing it. So you can, in theory, just copy. What you need to do is create your task list. So if we go up here and go task list, and this is your monthly tasks, let's call it that. I'm going to add it. Task list added. Here we go. All right, and then we're going to add the task. So job one. Let's copy this. Job one. Add. Add a task. Job two, add a task, and obviously you're gonna go through, right? Job three, we'll keep going, I'll go to, I think you get the point. So we get job one, job two, job three. So this is your monthly tasks, right? And what we want to do now is click here and click mark as template. So click that, and that will add that to your templates. So the next time you go to do a task, so you come to your next monthly task, wherever you are in a project, add a task list, select from templates. Monthly tasks is the newest template, so it's monthly tasks, and add. The start and end dates may be wrong, so if you've got any, if you've set those dates in the template for, start and end, they might be wrong, but I'm guessing you probably haven't. And here we have monthly tasks, the new ones. The old one would probably be completed, so you would get, you wouldn't be showing. It would be quite obvious which one's the new one is. I'll leave this here. But then all you want to do is click here and maybe change this to September task list, or whatever it might be, right? Try and spell it right, not like me. So then when you go back, now you can see your September, your old one was probably August. In fact, leave that one. No, that's all right. August task list. But you may want to make that first one because I think now if you go here, this is actually a good experiment. If I go select from, oh yeah, no, it's okay. Renaming the one that you made the template is fine because it's already saved. See how it says monthly tasks? When we go here, it's going to go monthly tasks. So it doesn't matter that you renamed the one that you made a template. So then we go here and we go October task list. So just to go through it again, create your task list, create a new task list, add month or month tasks, whatever you want to call it. Oh, tasks. On here, add a task. Job one. Job two. This would have been a quicker way to do it, wouldn't it? Job two. Then when you go to add, now go to the little cog. Mark as template. When you go to add a new task list, you can go select from there month-on-month tasks or your monthly tasks. So you can do as many as you want. Hopefully that helps. Anybody needing help with Zoho Projects, if you come to pnuk.com, I will have had the link on my page. Zoho Projects. Oh, if you spell it right. Projecta. Zoho Projects. There's free training there for Zoho Projects. You can ask questions in the training. You can ask questions on the YouTube video. You can ask questions in the Zoho forum. You can search. So you could search Zoho Projects. If you're looking for answers, this video will appear on there. And if you don't find anything, you could just log in and ask a question in there as well. So I'll cover it wherever you ask them. I'll try and do lots and lots more of these quick videos because these are the things people need to hear, isn't it? Fire away with your questions. We'll help the best we can. And hopefully, Clay, that answers your question. Cheers.